I don't get what you mean by back testing. The only way I've seen you can back test is using strategy reports, which is this. But back testing an indicator. So I mean, this was created using ChatGPT and a lot of other. My brother Ahmed actually created it. I helped with a small tweak of deciding there's supposed to be a strong entry versus a weaker entry. We found that actually the weaker one tended to be more solid. I think the stronger one had too many, I guess, requirements. But I mean, anybody find a strategy that works? This is entire history since 1799. I clicked on that by accident. I mean, if you just look back long term, honestly, VWAP. That's just one thing I've noticed. I do like that a lot. Just take the VWAP. Break and hold above VWAP. I hate this shit. This choppy stuff is a problem though. That's why I worry you if you look for that, let's say the UT one that we're talking about, because you need a way to kind of ride this choppiness out if you want to scalp it, even if you do want to trade it. This is a session I've gotten like just destroyed before going back and forth between this. I don't like trading this overnight session. 4 or 5 in the morning, I think. And we're just talking about it at the London exchanges with I don't know what the hell was in Australia. So Bollinger Bands can help here. Right? I mean, because if you want to ride out choppiness, mean reversion is great. You have VWAP, okay, busted above VWAP, but do you trust it? I mean, downtrend. Like right here, I mean, it's telling you, okay, this is a bottom. But that fucking, that U2 bot, I like it a lot. Quant Nomad, huh? This guy is, I mean, it's pretty clean. I mean, it tells you to sell here. And it's really, honestly, look at this. It's using a Bollinger Band and VWAP. Nothing crazy here. You don't need anything crazy. You have a sell signal. And this is not bar close. And then you have to buy here, but I mean, at this point, you can save yourself some money and exit at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. Then again, buy. It's telling you sell. Also, top of the Bollinger Band, so you have that confluence. So much easier when it's not live, huh? Also, why use a regular RSI when you have the RSI divergence indicator? It could be so messy. That's why 15 minutes might be cleaner. It'd be nice, you have a very obvious working strategy, right? But you can have a bot run it. I mean, that's what institutions do with algorithms, anyways. Pretty damn easy. What's up, Tover's joining? We're looking back at this gold strategy. I mean, it's a damn good strategy. Now this is 1799. History of the opening market. If we look at the past year. So if we do a custom date, it's not like I'm selling this or anything. I see you back in 2019. You still have some losses here. Oh, it's on the 15-minute time frame. This thing runs on the 5-minute time frame. That's a mistake right there. Let's reset that. The strategy is meant to run on a 5-minute time frame. So if your chart's not set at that, it will take it whatever it is. Let's go back to 2015. Oh, it's February 1st already, huh? Anyone see anything that this good? Let's go back to even 2010. Let's do it before the recession. Let's go like 2005. So 62%. Outrageous. It would crash at a certain point, huh? I guess people are going to equities. Now let's see recent. Even recently. Longs have been getting cooked. I mean, what do you expect? This thing's been going bananas. I mean, the buy and hold return is typically a lot higher usually. It's 10% to 5, with some losses. This is the best strategy I've seen, and I have it for minis as well. So if you have this just going with a bot, and sometimes it's obvious like it'll hold too long. If you're paying attention, you can exit. Like a Bollinger Band touch or divergence. I mean, you also gotta use your brain a little bit. But the max equity drawdown 7%, that's pretty damn good. You can't even blow an account like that. As someone who works full time, it's tough not being able to be there and execute during the daytime, because in the middle of the night you just get a bunch of this kind of like sideways action. This is a crazy day. This is that day that gold ran. It's that night. Where do we go from here? 5,000, 5,500, 53. The next morning, it just freaking went insane. This right here could have made this people fortunes, and I'm sure it did. And then right after, what do you expect? Profit taking. Massive breakdown BWAP. What's up, man? You into trading too? I've noticed a lot of people have been messaging me and they want to start trading, and I'm like, this is it's a tough journey, man. But if you master it, I mean, you could be anywhere, stuck to anything. It's phenomenal. But finding something that works and take yourself out of it. Get your emotions out of it. Get your brain out of it. So you have to find something that works. I'd say even more than 80% is psychology. And that's something I ignored. I'm a student. I was a professional student. I went took an approach of a student. Didn't realize that I was a problem early on, trading especially. The problem with a lot of these indicators and things is they are lagging. But we did play it in real time. Man. Oh, I gotta get some sleep now. Sometimes the only time you get though. We gotta do some more testing. Market opens tomorrow at 6. I'll probably join at 6 o'clock tomorrow. Market opens tomorrow at 6. I'll probably. Oh, that's my kick right there. Which I just started a kick in Twitch now. I think because I'm gonna stream trades live, and also I think vacations live. I have a lot of content that I gotta post, some crazy fun content, but it'll might stir some issues. My focus lately has been on this though. I haven't been doing much social media at all, but it's because I've been trading nonstop. Like I gotta get this down. But I love it, obviously. I love helping people see. I mean, it's rewarding too, but ideally, do both and do them at your time. The significance of VWAP is just crazy. I saw this one here. This guy's VWAP is interesting. So there's a daily VWAP and then there's an extended one, which I found some significance when they cross. Does that daily one match up? It does. But the extended one, is that significant? That's a yellow line. It's really broad, wide, honestly. No. Stick to the original VWAP. That's what institutions use, what the traders use. What else do you want? I mean, I guess this could be a bottom. What, in one case? Was it really useful here? No. Ideally, gotta cut the noise. Reduce this shit. Surprised anybody's awake right now. What are you guys doing? I'm only doing this now because I had no time all day. But it took me a while to get this set up even. Kick is like very... I have great internet. But it's whatever, it's not clear. Lower bit rate. What does bit rate even mean? I don't know. There's stuff you learn, I guess. Let's make it 5,000. Anyone wants to try trading? Do a prop firm. Don't use your own money. I definitely say take profit trader. Although, I mean, I should be an affiliate for them. Probably give them a shout out, these guys. But they're good. So I can't hate. I said I was going to sleep a while ago. Which I should. Past this time, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Okay, now we got kick working. It's not worth it. Okay, now we got kick working. It's not worth it. Turn that shit off. a bit right. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, but I'm gonna sleep. And by the way, I don't know if anyone uses this, but you can set your trailing stops to a certain. You can do dollar value if you don't really mess around with ticks. I'm new to futures, so I'm not big with ticks. So I just do the math. But I'm changing all of this. I tested it on Friday. Wasn't great. Wasn't good. We'll see. Thanks everyone for joining. But yeah, sleep is crucial at this point. Have a good morning. I guess not even have a good morning, not even a nighttime anymore.